This is the Zoid folding utility knife, and this is what it looks like when it comes out of the package, and you notice there's no blade on it. That's because this one has the built-in storage area for blades. So let's go ahead and pop that open right here, and you can see there is a blade sitting there inside. So we'll take that blade out. We'll close this back up. That is nice, clicks in and it's magnetic right there. And we just push the blade into this slot right here. And then you want to push this button. Once you push that button, it allows the lock mechanism to open. And then you can see it snaps right in place and it's nicely locked. You can also see right here, there's a small little area. So if you want to scrape something or have some sort of little piece of wire or something, you can use that to cut from that area. Or you have your regular blade, which you can use to cut from. You notice the blade does say Zoid on it, but it is universal for the utility knife blades. So any blade that you get will fit right into here perfectly fine. And then you can store up to 2 extra blades in this slot right here. So you can just insert them there. They'll stay in there nicely. So when your blade becomes dull, you can just exchange it out. So very, very handy. The one thing I do like about this is the way you grip it. I love this little piece right here, this little area right here. It allows you to get some tension when you're cutting. So it's very, very strong. It is made of plastic, so a lot of people would be disappointed with that, but I definitely am not. It's a very, very good quality hard plastic material. You're not going to be disappointed at all. It feels really good quality. The button right here, very, very easy to open and close. No problems. It's not stiff. It's nice and smooth. So very, very easy to work around. And it does have that little belt clip piece right on here, but just an absolutely fantastic product. This is probably my 3rd one of these. I've got them everywhere in my house, and I just really, really like the quality feel and the price of them.